Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I am going to show you how to open phpMyAdmin, or you can say database of the WordPress, without having any cPanel. So let's start. So in WordPress there is a plugin available for phpMyAdmin. So I am going to install this plugin. So the name of the plugin is phpMyAdmin. By this plugin you can access any table of the database. So guys, you need phpMyAdmin for many reasons. Sometimes you don't have cPanel of the live website and you need to change meta of the post or any other things. So guys, after activation of the plugin you will be redirected to this plugin dashboard, and after that you have to click enter phpMyAdmin button. So guys, by this plugin you can open any database of the live website and you can change anything from the database tables. For example, I am going to looking for post meta, which ID is 1. I can also access the meta. So this is the meta for the post. So by this way you can change meta and you can access database directly without cPanel. So guys, if you find my video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.